Good evening, friends. Today, my lecture topic is Indian culture. Friends, I have divided this topic into two parts. First, the introduction part and history of our Indian culture. Second, the what is the current situation and how our Indian culture is changing. Third, the conclusion part. Coming to the first part, history of our Indian culture. Our Indian culture is one of the oldest culture of world, as around many thousands of years ago our culture was the best culture in the world. There was a rishi parampara in our culture where there were gurukul systems, and the values which we get from those gurukuls were worth many $1 million. Like, we used to respect our gurus a lot. We can see example of Iklavya. We respect women. We respect everything. In Indian culture there are many gods which we worship, like the Surya Dev, Vishnu ji, etc. Also, in our culture, there are a lot of dresses, like we wear traditional dresses according to the region and geography of India. Also, there are a lot of festivals like Holi, Diwali, Bhaiya Dooj, etc., which were celebrated earlier and are now also celebrated. Also, our Indian culture is very much scientific, as earlier we thought that the things written in Vedas, Upanishads, etc., are merely stories, etc. But now, when the scientists are getting aware of more about our nature, they are seeing that the things which were written earlier in the text, old Indian text, are very much similar to their findings which they are finding nowadays. Now, coming to the current situation, now due to the influence of Western culture, globalization, liberalization, and all of we have internet access and phones, there is exchange of culture, and our great culture is looking in the backhand, whereas Western culture is coming forehand in the youngsters nowadays, as our traditional dresses are not considered good in nowadays. Everyone wearing suit, pant, shirts, but dhoti, kurta, etc. are not considered good. Now, coming to the conclusion part, as our culture is a very old and very great culture, so it's not a matter that we are against the Western culture, but our roots are from India, and we should be aware of what is our culture, what our ancestors were, and we should follow our culture, not getting influence of the Western culture, and for merely some likes and some praise, we should forget our culture and adopt the Western culture. Thank you.